After you make your registration on Wetradex, let's go to the part where you make your first deposit and get your contract on the Copytrade system or in the staking system. It's very simple. You go to the contracts here, you can come to Copytrade or staking if you want. Here you have all the packages over here from the Copy Start to the Copy Elite and the AI Daily Flex. I'm going to the Copy Elite. You come to the Make Investment. You put the amount that you want. The minimum is only $10. You click to continue to payment. And here on this screen, you will see this QR code here. You just make the scan and you send $10. I'm just going to send on my wallet here. Okay, so I made the transaction on my Trust wallet, and then you just wait some seconds and then it's done the payment. After the payment's done, it will appear payment completed. And after this, you can click on My Investments and you already see the details over here.